What does the electoral law say about vote buying? So how does it describe vote buying in content and in context?
So it really depends. The Electoral Act itself does not capture all of the new involvement of vote buying. But what it particularly says, is that, you know, if you exchange gift or money, you know, in response to vote, and I mean, if you basically exchange, you know, it is vote buying. But beyond that, also it also captures in a situation where, whether it is monetary, whether it is by appointment and all of that. So that the way it is now, it is subject to interpretation of the court. But
in your own view, with the way we've seen vote buying evolve over the years, do you think there's a way out of it?
I think there is a way. I think there is a way. If there is a strict punishment for vote buying, right, it will definitely go into extinction. But we also need to run up. We need to catch up with the way it is evolving. So, for example, Prof has said this is not vote buying. So, for example, if everyone begins to say, well, in the next general election, right, I am going to encourage every polling unit in my area with this amount of money, that will be the new way. So it will mean that we need to evolve, and as the Electoral Act is being, you know, considered towards amendment, perhaps this is something new that we need to capture explicitly, because we need to see how it's evolving. Again, I say the new trend that we've seen in the 2023 elections and even after the election is that when it is close to elections, politicians just do very quick appointments. They change local government chairmen and chairpersons. They change all of the areas and have different, in fact, they call them mostly appointment without portfolios. And in our interpretation, that is actually vote buying, because the whole intent of those appointments, the whole intent of all of those gifts to communities, including the use of palliatives during the COVID-19 period, is to ensure that people come out, you know, forget all of their sufferings, not rate you credibly, not rate you rationally, and then vote for you.